Walking seems like the simplest exercise in the world, but what if I told you most people are doing it completely wrong? These small mistakes can slowly damage your body, affect your joints, your heart, even your posture, and the worst part, you don't even realize it. In this video, we'll reveal 7 walking mistakes that could be ruining your health and how to fix them. Welcome to Health Boost Daily. Why walking matters. Walking improves heart health, boosts metabolism, and keeps your body active, but only if you do it the right way. Mistake 1: wrong posture. Walking with poor posture, like slouching or bending forward, puts pressure on your spine. Mistake 2: looking down. Looking down at your phone while walking can strain your neck and spine. Mistake 3: wrong shoes. Wearing the wrong shoes can damage your knees and feet over time. Mistake 4: walking too slow. If you walk too slowly, you're not getting the full benefits. Mistake 5: no arm movement. Not using your arms while walking reduces your body's efficiency. Mistake 6: inconsistency. Walking once in a while won't give results. Mistake 7: no warm-up. Skipping warm-up increases risk of injury. Bonus: correct walking method. To get the best results, keep posture straight. Walk at a steady pace. Use proper shoes. Stay consistent. Walking is simple, but doing it right makes all the difference. Fix these mistakes today, and your body will thank you tomorrow. Subscribe to Health Boost Daily for daily health tips.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily health tips. Thanks for being part of Health Boost Daily.